This is Camper 3.0, and we just wanted to kind of update about where we're at, what we've done, and what still has to be done. Inside the camper, we have most of the big things done. We have the painting is done, and the new mattresses and cushions and curtains are all in place. There's a couple things that we're not sure about on the inside. There had been a refrigerator, and that's where we want water to go. So eventually that will be water and a sink above and a cooler here. So those things aren't done, and we haven't hung pictures and figured out the hanging things yet, but we will. Our vent cover works great. That went in during the last video. We have to frame it so we can put the frame around it. We have to frame it so we can frame it. You know what I mean. Anyway, so this is kind of inside and new lights and kind of ready to go for the next phase of the inside. Almost ready for an outing. Now, the outside, what we haven't told you all is that we actually had someone who's a RV person come and look at the trailer. And he was really great and really helpful and incredibly knowledgeable. Put a new hitch on for us to make it safer. The old hitch had some welds that we weren't real comfortable with, and he recommended we replace it. Importantly, he noted that when he got underneath that several of the important bolts holding the trailer to the axle were missing. Apparently, when they had rehabbed it years ago, they just had missed some bolts, some pretty major pieces. So that all got replaced, and it ended up not being terribly expensive, but incredibly critical. So we're really grateful to Jeremy Parker and his work, knowledgeable work. So we're really grateful. He also kind of coached us on what needed to be done from here on out. So tomorrow is tires, and then we're ready to do the pretty stuff.